Hello guys, Barry here. This time I'll bring you some new features. You can get the hit result of the prediction from the grenade component for some advanced usage. I also fixed some bugs, such as sticking bomb sticky position syncing incorrectly, wrong collection for smoke bomb in some situation. I also updated the model of sticky time bomb. You can see that I added a wireless receiver to it. I will probably add some new detonation methods in future updates. I updated the FX to make them more stylized. I made a new grenade, which refers to the dynamite. It has brand new models, Niagara FX, sound effects, and dynamic fuse. Let's see it in sense. The fuse gets shorter over time, and the FX has mesh fragments with collection. Thanks for watching. That's all for today. Don't forget to subscribe and like. Leave a comment. See you next time.